quilting friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window and welcome to our mystery quilt. Today we are working on block number 2 for our mystery quilt, and I am so thankful for all your kind comments and how excited you are about our mystery this year. The blocks are very fun, super simple, but also wonderful to put together, not only for our mystery quilt, but also you can use your blocks for a variety of borders. Oh guys, I can't wait to make this quilt with you, but also I'm so excited to show you how you can use it in your borders. Today's block, we're gonna be making a quarter square triangle block, super fun and simple. We're gonna start with 2 fabrics, light and a dark, and there were so many kind comments about the fabric. If you wanted to use your own fabrics, if you would like to follow my lead, get a light, get a yellow. If you would like to, we have beautiful fabrics like our Dahlia collection. So if I'm showing you yellow, you can go ahead and select it from this gorgeous Dahlia collection and use those. We also have wonderful light fabric that goes with different collections like the Dahlia one. Now you can cut your own fabric or you can use a pre-cut kit, and we have 2 pre-cut kits that we have, one with the poppy seed collection and the other one in a sewing bird. They both are stunning, so it's gonna be up to you which one you choose. I'm working with the pre-cut one from poppy seed. I love all the rainbow color, and you know me with rainbow quilts, they make me so happy. When you're working from a pre-cut kit, make sure that you open the box and select the bag that tells you what block you're making. So right on the bags we have a little sticker and it tells you block 1, block 2. Some blocks have more than one bag, so please select both of the bags or 3 of the bags, depends on the block. All right, now if you're cutting your own fabric, you're gonna be go ahead, you're gonna open your fabric, press it, and for today's block you're gonna cut a square, then you're gonna cut it twice diagonally for quarter square triangles. All the measurements are in your pattern, and you need to download the pattern on our blog. The pattern looks just like this. Every week you get a different recipe, and those recipes will be available to you for next 9 weeks. Okay, after the mystery is finished, we're gonna take those recipes away, and you're gonna be all excited because your quilt will be done, and if you wanted to, that pattern will be available for purchase. But for now, it's my gift to you guys. So go enjoy those recipes. And today's block is so fun and easy. So you will cut a square in light, twice diagonally, you get 4 quarter square triangle. Then you're gonna cut a square in yellow, cut it twice diagonally for 4 quarter square triangle. You take 2 lights, 2 yellows, and now we can make a 1 block like this. When I'm making quarter square triangle units, I'm paying attention to my seam allowance. So to use your good seam allowance, you wanted to use a tool like this. I'm gonna put it close to me so that way it reminds me that after I stitch, I will check on those. I do lay my pieces, and I'm just gonna go ahead, place my pieces right sides together just this way, and I'm gonna position them to get ready for sewing. I'm planning to stitch right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this one exact the same way. The biggest mistake that we do is stitch and then the pieces are not matching. So I'm gonna stitch right here with 1/4 inch this one. As soon as I finish stitching, my pieces gonna be looking this way. I'm gonna open it up, push towards the dark, push towards the dark, and I'm not gonna use my iron. I'm just gonna finger press and use this little tool only because I don't want to stretch this bias edge with my iron. I just want to be very gentle. Now as soon as you have 2 units done, you're gonna rotate one. Look what happened beautifully. This is gonna match, and now when you place those right sides together, this right here gonna lock, and you're gonna be able to go ahead, and I like to put a pin, and I'm using my patchwork pins. I like to put a pin in the front of the seam and in the back of the seam, just this way. You can put it right on a seam. I like to put 2 pins. Then I'm gonna place another pin right here at the beginning, another one right here, and then stitch. Now I stitched, and when I did my first seam, I took my low guide and check my 1/4 inch. When you're measuring your 1/4 inch, make sure you include the thread with the measurements, okay? Don't do it to the thread. You want to include the thread in a 1/4 inch. That is gonna give you really nice results. When I start doing that, my quilting got really nice because my pieces were exact the size, because sometimes we forget that when you turn the fabric open, you have to have room to turn around that thread, so that little bit always matter. All right, now we know we have a good 1/4 inch seam allowance. And the span guide, you can get it on our website. We have those. This is the best investment you ever make. Now, then you're gonna go ahead, stitch, make sure that the center matches up, pull the pins, finish stitching. And as soon as you finish stitching, look at this, you're gonna open it up. And before you open and check this point that it's beautiful, you're gonna wanna go ahead and look what I'm doing. I'm gonna gently pull the threads and open on the back. And from the back, I'm just gonna crease it, open it up, and this block is going to be ready now to get a nice spray with our crisp and iron with an iron. As soon as you finish, you're gonna be ready to take your ruler, put it right over and check. Yep, you did a great job. Now all that you have to do is trim. I'm gonna center it up. I'm paying attention that this line, 45-degree line, is going right through my block. This is beautiful. I need to do a little bit trimming, but not too much. I'm very excited how nice the block came out, and because I used the nice 1/4 inch seam allowance, everything looks so good. And the 6.5 by 6.5 ruler works really nice for trimming. Now, like I said, you only have to make 4 of them for our main quilt, but if you're working on those for a border, they're gonna go really quickly together, and you can make a lot of those. So once you have it, finish your block and trim, you are ready to place it into your quilt. And go visit our website at laundrybasketquilts.com and look at our blog where this block goes into the quilt. I'm gonna keep that a little mystery for you guys. Now go enjoy it. Now, if you wanted to, you can use this block as a border block. I also have posted picture about our beautiful log cabin quilt, and now I'm showing you how to use this block as a border. You can use it and keep the colors in the same order. You're gonna end up having a beautiful zigzag around the edge of your quilt with a beautiful squares. You can go ahead and use it this way and have dark squares going around your quilt. Now, if you would like to, you can rotate the blocks and place it this way for a fun, whimsical look. I hope you enjoyed today's block too, and have fun ideas for your borders using the mystery blocks. But I know you are even more excited to see me next week for block number 3 on our mystery quilt. I wish you happy quilting, and if you need anything, please visit our website at laundrybasketquilts.com. Happy quilting!